Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you to change the password of your Apple ID and you are getting this type of error, cannot verify identity. Your action could not be completed because of a server error. So if you are getting this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device while changing the password of your Apple ID, then here in this video I'll show you how you can fix this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device while changing the password of your Apple ID. So here in this video I will tell you the possible solutions through which you can easily fix this type of problem. So first solution is you will need to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then here press the power button until the Apple logo appears. So first of all you will need to hard reset your iPhone device, and then after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that here make sure that you are using a strong internet connection. If you don't have a strong internet connection, then you will have to make sure that you are using a strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi device, then you will have to disconnect with Wi-Fi device and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile data, then you will need to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again. And then after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then move to the next solution. Open setting, then here scroll it below, tap on general, then scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that put here your iPhone passcode, then after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then move to the next solution. Open again setting, then here scroll it below, tap on general, then tap on software update. Here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest iOS version. Then after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Open again setting, then here scroll it below, again tap on general, then here scroll it below, tap on date and time, and here make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on from here and the time zone is selected correctly. Then after that change the Apple ID password and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will need to open any browser like Safari or any other browser, and then from here in search bar you will have to check the Apple system status that it's working properly, and here in search bar you will have to search for I forget. Then in search bar you will have to search for iforgetappleid.com, then tap on this. Then after that here you will need to tap on here. Then after that here you will need to tap on reset my password. So after that here put your iPhone passcode. So after that here you will need to enter the new Apple ID password, and then from here you will have to retype the password. Must remember that your password must be at least 8 characters long, include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. Then after that hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to change the password of your Apple ID through these methods. So in this way you can fix this problem if you are having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device while changing the Apple ID password. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.